If you want to switch the front to the back camera while you're recording videos on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now, this feature is not available in the default camera app of your iPhone. But if you want to get this feature, just open the App Store, then in the search bar, just search this. Now just download Snapchat on your iPhone. After you do that, you will be able to switch from the back to the front camera while you're recording videos. Now from here, as you can see, if I start recording a video, I will be able to switch from the back camera to the front camera. Just like that. And as you can see, it is still recording. Just like that. And once you're done recording, just tap on the record button over here to stop recording. If I start recording a video, I will be able to switch from the back camera to the front camera. Just like that. Now you can trim and edit your video from the Snapchat app, and you can download it to the Photos app. Just tap on the download button, and from here just select Memories and Camera Roll, then tap on Save. And once you do that, you will save the recorded video on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can switch from the back camera to the front camera while you're recording videos on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.